In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a trend line in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart and of course the asset where you want to add a trend line to, okay? So I have Bitcoin over here just for this example. Then you have to select the correct tool. So you want to go to the left here and you want to click on this button, which is the trend line. Now, if you for some reason can't see this or there's something else like this, you simply want to click on this arrow button over here next to it to open the trend tools, and up at the very top there should be the trend line. You could also use Alt+T on your keyboard, which is the default kind of shortcut to actually be able to do this. Now you could also click on the arrow button, or not the arrow but the star button, which is going to add it over here under your favorites. Then whenever you have your trend line selected, first you have to set the start point. So this is going to be of course where you want to start your trend line. So for me it's going to be, let's just do it up here. I'm going to click, so you want to click once with your mouse, and now whenever you clicked once you can see I have this of course line over here, which is my trend line, and I can just go ahead and kind of basically drag it wherever I want. So if I want to go down here and kind of let's say mark up a trend, I'm gonna go and do it like this, for example towards here, and what I'm gonna do is click for the second time over here, and there we go, we have ourselves a trend line. Okay, of course you can go ahead and click on it whenever you want, and it's gonna allow you to add some text on it. If you want to add some marks, you could go ahead and of course change the color, you can change the line width, you can change some settings over here. There's a bunch of things you can do, but that's how to draw a trend line in TradingView. Okay, if you make a mistake, you could also click over here, click, hold, and basically drag on these circles, and it's going to allow you to kind of change where the positioning is. Now you can do this at the beginning and at the end of your line, and you can also move it around by clicking and dragging it around. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.